Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I'm getting kind of energy because I just ate some ice cream and now our flight got delayed. If you look at my last video. Business. ありがとうございます。We're on board now. どうぞ。
グループ2番のお客様3列でご案内します。
엄마. 이거 보여줘야 돼?
티켓만 있으면 돼. 티켓만.
グループ2番のお客様3列で整列お願いいたします。
이것도 봐야겠다.
Ticket.
搭乗券の係員にご提示お願いいたします。拝見させていただきます。
왜? 이 사람들도 비즈니스래?
長らくお待たせいたしました。ご案内いたします。
한 번에 겨우 다.
お待たせいたしました。こちらからもご案内いたします。どうぞありがとうございます。お待たせしました。
나중에 이렇게
こちらからご案内いたします。大変お待たせいたしました。ありがとうございます。お待たせいたしました。搭乗券
Guys, we're leaving Japan now. We're gonna board to
あ
Hawaii.
りがとうございます。いらっしゃいませ。こちらからもご案内いたします。3列でご案内して奥どうぞ。ありがとうございます。お待たせいたしました。こちらからご案内いたします。お預かりいたします。
Guys, priority for us.
お待たせいたしました。ありがとうございます。奥でもご案内いたします。奥からご案内いたします。
Finally, they're done.
イエーイ。
저 사람들은 어떻게 사는 거야? 이상한 눈도 없고요. 그냥 빨리 들어가.
그거는 필요 없어요.
그냥 빨리 들어가려고. 아니 같이 먹어.
お待ちのお客様、こちらからご案内いたします。
Oh, there's so much fun. I think those guys are just trying to go in faster. Maybe not that person, the baby.
お待ちのお客様、こちらからご案内いたします。大変お待たせいたしました。ありがとうございます。
이거 봐. 야낙하니까 너무 편하네. 잘도 이럴걸? 왜 이렇게 많아?
こちらのお客様、こちらからご案内いたしま
There's
す。
so much people. These guys are
こ
just
ちらのお客様、こちらからご案内いたします。大変お待たせいたしました。
사람이 왜 이렇게 많아? Finally.
お待たせいたしました。
And yellow 보시지? What? 아, 뻥이지.
우리 봐도 얘기해.
제주. 뭐야? 뭐 미친 누구잖아? 근데 뭐? 내 수원? 쟤는 애지 쟤. 저 조금만 해. 어?
쟤는 나이도 많이 먹었는데 왜?
이 사람은 어떻게 해?
こちらのお客様、こちらからご案内いたします。
아,
ありがとうございます。
그래서 빨리 9시보다 빨리 하구나. Guys, it's 38:58. the night. Finally, the priority is done. Okay, I think first class is next. Or us.
そうなんや。
Maybe it's like first class, business. Because there is 3 rows of business, but bro, with these freaking gates, this freaking rope is blocking us. I mean, I could just punch through it, but I don't want to get in trouble. So, yeah. Guys. What freaking thing is taking this so long? Bro. These dudes are so slow. 뭐야?
しましたグループ1番開始いたします。ご案内いたします。お待たせいたしました。こちらからもご案内いたします。大変お待たせいたしました。お願いいらっしゃいませ。
Okay, first class isn't that bad. First class,
있는데
이 사람들은 priority 들어가야 되는 거 아니야?
버스가 아니고
혜원이 뭐야?
버스를 안 타잖아. 버스 없을걸요.
왜?
없는 비행기도 많이 있어. 버스들.
그럼 왜 first class라고 써져있어?
그 밑에 써져 있는 거 안 보여? 다이아몬드?
저 뭐?
둘 중에 하나가
우리는 뭐야?
우리는 그냥 비즈니스라고.
우리는 뭘 돼요? 프리미엄? Guys, it's still first class. We're not
大変お待たせいたしました。グループ2番ご案内いたします。 搭乗券確認してよろしいですか。ありがとうございます。
Guys, the person is just looking at the tickets.
Thank you.
Okay, finally, guys, we're in the place. Guys, that's a plane we're boarding. It's an orange freaking turtle. Okay, bro. Finally, we made it in this freaking thing. Bro, that's our plane. It's 2 stories. 이층이야, 아래층이야? 오른쪽이래. 에코노미가 1층이 나가. Guys, bro, the freaking plane. Oh, looks like we're going to the 2nd floor. Hey, we'll have a better view. Oh. Economy is separated with business and premium economy. Wait, I think, guys, comment down below if you think premium economy and economy should be the same. And this is the special video that I was talking about when I had 100 subscribers. The video I'm going to Hawaii. And I'll be posting more videos in Hawaii. Just so you know. Guys, this thing is sick. Oh my freaking god. This thing is so sick. 준이 여기. 여기 11이야.
8.
여기 맞아. Guys, this. 엄마한테 여기 앉으라고 그래. This is our freaking seat, bro. No offense, but there's like everything I need. Spray. What's this? Hey, oh my god, I'm putting. Freaking. Okay, bro. Guys, I'm gonna go pitch black for a bit. My bag was too bad. Put it in there. Guys, I even prepared water. Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh no. Bro, these are so sick. Wait. I'll be back when I'm done. Okay? I think now I figure out what this thing is for. I think this thing is for putting these stuff in. Like that. Oh bro, it barely even fits. Whatever, it's fine. It'll be fine. So let's put this here. 엄마 이거 여기 놔도 돼? 여기? Guys, so this is our house tour. This is our house tour. So here is a small little nice table, wherever this is. Coats. This is our nice little window. This is our nice TV. This is our headrest. This I don't know. And this you can lower the seats and stuff like that. And this I have no idea what the hell this, but I think this is the TV. I mean not a TV, just a seat. But I have oh what? No freaking idea how it's supposed to be here. 엄마 이거 어떻게 알아? 엄마 저거 아는 사람이야? 응.これって何ですか？
はい。
これ。
これはここは動かないです。このまま肘を置くところです。
ありがとうございます。Okay. So this looks like this is just shoulder rest. Bro,
Put
my back here.
寝てるんで邪魔しないでくださいみたいなメッセージの。はい。ご搭乗ありがとうございます。
飛行機が空に上がるときは荷物はどこに置けばいい？
はい、荷物は一番下の段に置いてください。
はい、ありがとうございます。よいしょ。
それで大丈夫です。はい。ご搭乗ありがとうございます。ここがお食事のメニューになってます。あとは飲み物がここにあります。ここに書いてある。飲み物が5ページで食べ物が10ページにありますのでゆっくりご覧ください。
これっていつでも
はい、いつでもお飲み物、はい、注文いただけて、後ほどこの和食か洋食がいいかオーダーを取りに来ますので、ゆっくり見ててもらってもよろしいですか？
スタッフを呼ぶときは何をす
ス
ればいいですか？
タッフを呼ぶときはこの人のマークを押してください。はい。
ありがとうございます。
はい。ありがとうございます。
Yes. Bro, I just gonna get first started from 10 by 10. First, no, not here. Okay, first of all, my Nintendo Switch is in there, so I can put this. Look at the thing in there. thing is. Okay, I'll show when I open all of this. So I guess I should say I took everything out on this fucking thing.
쓰레기 털어내라 그랬어?
아니야. There are other stuff. Let's see what's in.
아니 위에 올리면 되잖아. 지금 잡고 있어. 아이고 발음 보여도 모를 거 아니야.
Bro. Guys, I just knew that these are just toothbrushes and stuff like that. Yeah, so guys, boom. This thing is so sick. I literally can't see anything out of the window right now. Like, my current time at this location, Japan, is 9:15. No, 9:13 now. 9:13, I think. Yeah. So. Okay, bro. The TV just turned on. Okay, I turned it off. I don't know if you're allowed to. Wait, guys, wait for a bit. My back, my. I guess I'll try to do something about it. I'm gonna put my. Just take one freaking stab with it. I have no idea where the zipper is. Oh, I found it. My tablet. Yeah. Guys, I guess we'll be playing some games. Don't look at this stuff. Looks like we need to turn the seatbelt on. I'll see you guys later. Guys, I got my seatbelt on. And it has been 17 minutes. Nothing. I mean, at least I boarded the train. I mean, not train, sorry. What is this? Rubber roll. Am I seeing what I'm seeing? See? I played this. Is this a freaking tape? Mama, 이거 뭐야? 이거 어떻게 열어? 어떻게 열어? 수리곤 다 안에 들어갔어. 아, 됐다.
밥상.
Oh my gosh.
마이 갓. 밥상이.
Oh. Okay, now I know. Okay, let's put back our seatbelt on. Sorry for the pitch hole. Okay, my seatbelt is on. My tablet here. We should play some games. Oh yeah, wait just a second. Turn my phone into the airplane mode. So I basically don't have Wi-Fi anymore. Okay, but I think maybe the plane might be departing. Guys, who's your favorite YouTuber? Because mine is Brent River and Lexi River. And Jeremy Hutchins and Ben.
客室乗務員は安全業務を行います。
Ben
恐れ入りま
Adler.
すが、お手伝いが必要な方は後ほどお知らせください。Cabin attendants will conduct safety duties.
Bro,
If you need any assistance,
maybe you should
please
look at the menu.
wait for a moment. Cabin attendant,
Yeah,
stand
let's
by
look
the
at the
door.
menu.
業務連絡です。ターミナルセンター、チェックフライトパー。皆様、ドアが閉まりました。皆様が指定された席にお座りになっていることを確認して出発いたします。早めにお座りいただき、シートベルトを腰の低い位置で緩みのないようお締めください。手荷物は重ねないように座席の上の物腕、または前の座席の下にお入れください。携帯電話などの電子機器は機内モードなど電波を発しない設定にするか電源をお切りください。The doors
Oh yeah,
have
wait, I need to turn
been
my
closed.
Apple Watch too.
We will depart after
Guys, wait,
checking
okay.
and all fasten your seatbelts are assembled.
I see.
Please place your baggage in the overhead compartment or
airplane
under the
mode.
seat in front of you. When using the overhead compartment, please stow your baggage with care so that it does not fall out. Please
Yeah,
switch
the
off
bottom, yeah.
electronic devices,
Bro,
including
no
cell phones
offense,
or
but the
set to
windows suck.
airplane mode, so that the later lift is not limited. Thank you.
엄마? Look at my new headphones from Alex. Yeah, I didn't actually buy them. Did someone just say orange juice? But I want orange juice. Wait, I put everything in here. I'm sipping orange juice.
Orange ジュースいかがでしょうか。かしこまりました。
これは何ですか？
こちらシャンパンですね。はい、お酒なんですよ。
ありがとうございます。She got orange juice. Guys, this looks natural. Taste test. It's pretty good. Not gonna lie, bro. Wait, does this contain real orange? Oh, it was just my spin. Oh? Oh. 지금 봐도 돼? 헤드폰은? 엄마 헤드폰은? 그거 어디 해? 여기? Guys.
皆様、スタラギャン
Okay,
セン
whatever.
ター
Actually, I need
ANA
to
ホノルル
take
行き
this thing off.
182便をご利用いただきありがとうございます。また今日は緊急着陸する飛行機があり、一時的に滑走路が閉鎖されていたため、機内へのご案内並びに出発が遅れております。ご迷惑をおかけしていることをお詫びいたします。
これってどうやって戻すの？
到着時刻につきましては最新の情報が入り次第ご案内いたします。
勝手に入ってくれ
皆
て
様がご搭乗のこの飛行機は
ありがとうござい
ANA
ます
が成田ホノルル路線で運航する世界最大の2階建て旅客機エアバス A380 フライングホヌです。ホヌとはハワイ語でウミガメを意味しています。
Next 7 hours 30 minutes.
また今日は3号機のラーメン
ここにある時間って何時間
皆様をホノルルまでご案内いたします。
これは何
あ、そうですね。7時間
この便の機長は向山、チーフパーサーは森江でございます。
日
ご
本の時
用になりました
間とからもここに
遠慮なく客室乗務員にお知らせください。
ハワイの時間は
ハワイの時間は今は、
航空法により機内の電源などからモバイルバッテリーの充電は禁止されております。またモバイルバッテリーから他の電子機器への充電もお控えください。
25。
肘掛けやテーブル、化粧室の扉など
じゃあ
で
何時
手や
ぐらいの
指を挟まないようにご注
ハワイの時
意ください。
間では何時
お子様連れのお客様やお手伝いが必要なお客様は客室乗務員にお知らせください。
ありがとうございます。
はい。
米国政府か
6時
らの要
間半ぐらいな
請により
のでフライト楽しんでください。でも寝てくださいね。
特に化粧室付近などに必要なく集まることは禁止されております。ご用のないお客様はご着席いただき、シートベルトをお締めくださいますようご協力をお願いいたします。
離陸した後にお食事と
アメリカに到着、また出発する航空機内での喫煙は法律で禁じられております。
飲み物
ご注意ください。
お食事は和食と洋食のお食事がある。
ただいまから非常用設備をご案内いたします。皆様ご覧ください。
これじゃあ下げますね。
ご飯とすごい。
どうしますか。
Welcome on board ANA, a member of Star Alliance. Flight 182 for Honolulu. There was an emergency landing plane and the runway was temporarily closed, so boarding to the cabin and departure were
どち
delayed.
らがいいです
We
か。
apologize for any inconvenience caused. The aircraft you are boarding is the Airbus 380 flying Honolulu, the world's largest double-decker
お
passenger
魚の
aircraft
ムース
operated by
ライ
ANA
チ、
on
こ
the
れライ
Narita
チ、ムースライチは両
Honolulu.
方ついてます。デザー
Honolulu
ト。
means sea turtle and
どち
Hawaiian.
らがいいですか。
This Honolulu, today's boarding aircraft is blonde.
する。
An orange-painted aircraft
い
LA
っぱい
with
入
long
ってるやつじゃ
eyelashes.
なくて、
Inspired by the sunset,
一
the
つ
captain
と
in
かでき
command
な
of
い
this
です。
残
flight,
しても大丈夫
Yokoyama
で
and the
す。両
chief
方とももう
purser
ね、
is
ここにト
boarding.
レイで来るので、
Please let us know if you need
多
any
かったら残し
assistance.
ていいですよ。
And we hope that you enjoy the flight with us. By the civil aeronautics law, charging power banks from the in-seat power supply is
じ
prohibited.
ゃあ、
Please refrain from using power banks to charge other electronic
りました。
devices. Please take care not to trap your fingers in the armrest,
はい、お
table,
か
or
けしますね。あ
lavatory
りがとうござ
door.
います。
If you are traveling with children or need any assistance, please inform a cabin attendant by
Guys, I just
request to
ordered
the U.S.
hamburger.
Department of Homeland Security. Congregating on board
Guys,
is prohibited,
I just noticed that we're
especially near the
moving.
lavatory and
We're
scaffolding.
moving.
Please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt, except when you need to leave your seat. Thank you for your cooperation. May we remind you that smoking on board aircraft arriving at or departing from the United States is prohibited by the United States regulations. We will now explain the safety features of this aircraft, so could we please have your full attention? Thank you.
We're departing from Nighthawk right now. And it's, I guess, TV is on. Guys, so I'll say it one more time, but you might be wondering what the mysterious thing when I hit 100 subscribers was. And that's the thing that I'm filming in Hawaii, I guess. What is this?
ご搭乗ありがとうございます。
Welcome on board.
機内の安全についてご案内します。必ずご覧ください。
Pokemon?
Pay attention to the following safety instructions.
手荷物は重ねないように座席の上の物入れまたは前の座席の下に収納してください。手荷物が滑り出る恐れがあります。
Please place your baggage in the overhead compartment
Bro, it's
or onto the
Pokemon.
seat in front, and do not stack items on top of each other, as they may fall out.
通路や非常口付近には手荷物を置かないでください。
Nothing should block the aisle or exit.
Oh my gosh.
離陸・着陸の際は座席とテーブルを元の位置にお戻しください。
Return your seat and table to the
Lucario.
original position for takeoff and landing.
Neosgrada. Oh, my favorite. One of my favorites.
またお座りの間はシートベルトを常に着用してください。揺れに備え、シートベルトは腰の低い位置で緩みのないようお締めください。
Keep your
Oh,
seatbelt
hold on.
fastened
I
tight
need to
and
do
low at all times in case of turbulence, when the seatbelt sign is on, and whenever seated, including all movements on the ground.
外す場合は体の片方を持ち上げてください。
To unfasten, raise the flap.
電波を発する状態の電子機器はご使用にな
Oh,
りません。
oh, oh, oh.
The use of electronic devices that emit
Hold on.
radio waves is
Please, bro.
prohibited.
Please.
電源を切るか機内モードなどに設定してください。
Please turn them off or set them to airplane mode.
Okay, I set it to
座席
airplane
の下
mode
や
already.
隙間に電子機器を紛失した場合は、
Okay, but how is my phone supposed to drop like
客
that
室乗務員にお知らせく
or
ださい。
here? I mean,
If you
maybe
use
you
an
can drop.
electronic device under your seat, do not move your seat and notify a cabin attendant immediately.
座席を動かすことで破損や火災の原因となることがあります。
the device can be damaged or cause a fire.
機内は水路を含め禁煙です。化粧室でのタバコは電子タバコ、加熱式タバコを含め航空法で禁止されています。
Smoking and the use of all smoking devices is prohibited in the cabin, including in the aisle and lavatory.
緊急時は乗務員の指示に従ってください。
Oh, wait,
In
that guy's
case
the
of
tree guy.
emergency, please follow our
In
instructions.
case of
酸素マスクが降りて
emergency.
きた際はマスクを強く引き寄せ鼻と口に当てて呼吸します。
If oxygen masks drop down, pull a mask towards you, place it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally.
ゴム紐を頭にかけ長さを調整します。
Put the elastic band over your head and adjust it by pulling the ends.
衝撃に備える姿勢をとります。
In an emergency, brace for impact.
非常口は飛行機の左右両側にあります。お近くの非常口をお確かめください。
Emergency exits are located on both sides of the aircraft. Check your nearest exits.
脱出時の撮影は禁止です。
Photography is prohibited during evacuation.
手荷物は一切持たないでく
Okay,
だ
bro,
さい。
I'm like
脱出の妨げやスライドを破損する恐れがあります。
Leave all baggage behind as it may hinder evacuation or damage the slide.
ハイヒールは脱いでください。先の尖ったものはスライドを破損する恐れがあります。
Remove high-heeled shoes and other items with sharp points as these may damage the slide.
両腕を前に伸ばし、上体を起こして滑ります。
Bro, you have
Put
to make
both
it up.
arms out, sit up straight, and slide down.
Do you have to sit?
ス
Oh,
ライド
oh,
下で
hold
の
on,
援助を
hold
お
on,
願い
hold
しま
on.
す。
Uh-oh, we're
Assist
about to
other
go
passengers
fast.
after sliding down.
What is that?
す
That
ぐに飛
guy?
行機から離れます。
Pikachu.
Move away from the aircraft immediately.
Peekaboo.
救命医は座席の下または横にあります。
The life vest is under or beside your seat.
頭からかぶり、紐を留め具にかけ締めます。
Slip the life vest over your head, fasten the buckle, and tighten the strap.
非常口または翼の上で前の引き手を強く引いて膨らませます。
Inflate the life vest at the door or on the wing by pulling the red tab down.
膨らみが足りない場合はゴム管を吹きます。
If you need more air, blow into the tube.
お子様用の救命医は必要時客室乗務員がお配りします。
When necessary, cabin attendants will provide you with infant life vests.
座席ポケットの安全のしおり
Bro,
をご覧
why
くだ
is
さい。
this life attendant?
Please look at
I
the
mean,
safety
not life
instructions
attendant.
card in your seat pocket.
The staff like smiling when it's emergency. Oh, side up.
If you require assistance or have any questions, please contact the cabin attendant.
Bro, why are you smiling when there's literally an emergency? Does bro want to die or something? Hell no. Hell no, hell no. Hell no. Hell no, bro. We're gonna go crazy now. Bro, how's it not saying? It's not saying anything. Again? Oh.
お知らせしたいことがあります。For your safety, please know the following information. 飛行中は予測できない突然の揺れに遭遇することがあります。During the flight, you may experience unexpected turbulence.
Wait, does the staff members also have to take our seatbelt off? Hey, yo, bro, hell no. Are you dumb? Just hold this or something. When I'm on a flight, I always hold this for safety. I don't just go up blast like that, dumb dude. I already know. I know. Like, this is not my first time on a plane. Is there any way to skip? Oh hell no, we're going to the place where it's takeoff. Bye Japan. first time on a airplane. We're filming for about 40 minutes, 35. Okay, bro, 42% left. Bro, we're moving. We're moving. When we take off, I'm gonna freak out. How fast it goes, I'm gonna freak out. I wanna at least get to like the 3/4, and this is Hawaii. This is to us and Japan. And we fly here to there. Oh, it's gonna take so long. Hell no, is that a clock? Oh my god. Did I just see a clock flying? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna freak out. Guys, you guys see it. I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna have to close freaking eyes. Bro, you can barely even see outside. It's taking so long to take off so that I can take my freaking seatbelts off. Bro, the front person is going crazy. Pilot. Gosh, it must have been the same. Oh my gosh. Why am I so used to that? Okay, I'm gonna freak out now. No, I'm gonna freak out. If it stops, I'm gonna actually freak out if it stops. Oh. Guys, it's kind of also tiring filming this the whole time. I wish I only have 42% left. Just looking at the time, and it's 9:40, and we still haven't departed. It's all because of one plane. It had to do an emergency landing. That's why we couldn't use one of the roads where the plane goes up and it goes down. Well, say that this is the plane and I'm here, and then go up and then arrive at Hawaii, right? It's that easy. I mean, yeah. Oh, outside is pitch black. You can't see anything. We're getting further and further into the terminal. Oh wait, it's time ahead. It's time ahead. If you guys don't know what Diamond Head is, I think it was a volcano in Hawaii. Yeah, but I went there like, was it 3 times or 2 times? I forgot. My primary schools suck. But yeah, I went there before. It was either 2 or 3 times. I mean, who cares? This thing is so boring. Just sitting here recording. Not recording a so let's just look at my luggage. Okay, that's not fun. Okay, bro, my grandma's like staring at me. Look, outside is pitch black. I can literally see it. I can't see anything. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This plane is so shaky. Oh, wow. I just watched it too. This is Jeremy Hutchins. Pearson is also one of my. Yeah, this is the Lexi I'm talking about. Uh-oh. No, freak out time. Freak out time. Maybe not. Okay, let's get back to our video. Dog tape. Guys, I'm talking about YouTube. Oh wait, I can't show you guys that one. Alright. There's no Wi-Fi. Guys, for the next video I'll be filming in Hawaii. And also I like the subscriber called Alan's Universe. An Amp World. Bro, Topper Guild. Sister. I'll be watching this thing. This one. Yeah, this one. Okay, I'm freak out. The plane has officially stopped. No, freak out time, freak out time. Oh my gosh, you guys can see it. I'm not facing it. Guys, how is it? Oh my gosh.
皆様、シートベルトは腰の低い位置で
Oh my
緩
gosh,
み
I'm
のな
gonna
い
freak
よ
out.
うお
I'm
締
gonna
めく
freak
だ
out.
さ
I'm
い。
gonna freak out.
Dear
I see.
passengers,
Okay,
please
I
fasten
made
your
her.
seatbelt
I
tight
made her
and
as
lock.
tight as
Thank
possible.
you.
Bro.
皆様、離陸いたします。小さなお子様をお連れのお客様はお子様をしっかりお抱きください。一人でお座りのお子様のベルトもお確かめください。Dear passengers, we are now ready for takeoff. Please hold your child on your lap. Please also check your child seat belts. Thank you.
Okay, maybe not yet. Guys, please subscribe. chill, bro. Chill. Oh, this thing is going to. Oh my gosh. Okay. Chill. Water, chill. Oh my. Oh shit. Is it literally like raining? Oh, now I can see this one clear. Yeah. Terminal 1. Look at this. Literally, look at this. Bro. This thing is going up so badly. By the way, this is so weird. I'm actually gonna freak out. Actually, this ride is really bad. Not gonna lie. Guys, I guess I rated 8 out of 10. Okay, guys, you can literally see Narita. Guild. Bro, if I had a credit card of my friends or families or someone else's, then I'll just spend on iPhones and stuff like that. Rolex watch. But when can we freaking take our freaking seatbelts off? And this freaking, oh my gosh. Let's quickly just we're making some progress. Okay, let's turn it off now. Okay, there's 6 hours 46 minutes left. So I'll just watch some Topper Guild. Nothing else I want to do anyways. Shutters is so fat. Guys, what's taking so long? stop this. Just talk about the tank. Actually, this flight. The quality is not bad. It could be a little bit more better. Like, there's nothing here. So maybe there could be like a phone stand or something. I don't know. Like a water stand where there's is on trains. Yeah. I'm just too tired. I just want to sleep now. Guys. What? This freaking sign turns off. I'm doing this. I'm putting my blankets and pillows. My pillows. Oh, my pillows here. My blankets and stuff like that. Guys, should we kind of getting bored now? So should we take that pillow out? Okay, let's take that pillow out. Okay, bro. My pillow is actually so big. Okay. Oh my gosh. That was freaking so.
皆様、ベルト着用宣言等中や
Okay, guys, we got the
50 分
pillow
の予
out.
定です。到着が遅れ、ご迷惑をおかけいたしますことをお詫びいたします。
Ah,
成田とホノルルの間には19時間の時差があり、ただいまの
what's
ホ
it
ノル
take
ルの時刻は
19 hours?
午前2時52分です。この先、座席のリクライニングとテーブルはお使いになれます。
Oh,
座席の下や隙間に携帯電話やワイヤレスイヤホンなどの電子機器を落とした場合は破損や発火の恐れがあるため、座席を動かさず客室乗務員にお知らせください。
okay.
異常な発熱や膨張、異音、異臭などがある場合は速やかに客室乗務員にお知らせください。
Guys, what is this?
販売いたします。ご注文のお客様は客室乗務員にお知らせください。免税品の販売は残り到着の約1時間15分前に終了する予定でございます。
Okay, bro, I have no
ハワイ
idea
到
what
着
that
までにどうぞごゆっくり
is.
お
Let's
過ご
put
し
it
くだ
in.
さい。
Let's put this thing. This freaking thing in.
Keep your seatbelt fastened tight and the logo with the seatbelt sign is on, and whenever you are seated, we expect to arrive at Daniel K. Niue International Airport at 9:50 a.m. June 30th, local time. The time difference between Narita and Honolulu is 19 hours, and the local time in Honolulu is 2:52 a.m. We apologize for the delay in arrival. You may now recline your seat and use your table. If you drop an electronic device, such as a cell phone or wireless
looks like-
earphones under
oh,
your
yeah, I
seat,
didn't understand.
do not move
Okay,
your
looks like
seat
we
and
can
please
use a
inform a cabin
table, but-
attendant, as this may cause damage or a fire.
Oh, yeah.
In addition,
Okay, let's
if
put
you
this away.
notice any abnormal heat, swelling, unusual noises, or smells, please inform a cabin attendant immediately. We will have duty-free sales after the meal service. If you wish to make a purchase, please contact a cabin attendant. We will be closing our duty-free sales 1 hour and 15 minutes before arrival. We hope you enjoy the flight.